3, 2, 1, go!
Registration. Andun si Corinne kung makakaway-kaway.
3, 2, 1, go!
Ay! Ingat mo.
3, 2, 1, go!
What's up, Bladers? We're back with another Beyblade X Dragon King challenge. This challenge took place during a casual tournament at Rumble Royale. Another Blader, new to the eyes of the Dragon King, challenges him today for the title. The Dragon King knows little about this Blader, so he may be in for a surprise. Rumors say that this Blader is no stranger to podium finishes in private tournaments. Looking to claim a victory over the Dragon King, he's Pingu. Will Pingu pull off a stunning upset against the Dragon King, or is this the moment the Dragon King stages his comeback? Stick around to find out. These are the combos that I used for this challenge. Grand Buster with a 560 ratchet and the point bit. Cobalt Dragoon with a 160 ratchet and the rush bit. Lightning El Drago upper with a 360 ratchet and the low flat bit. Here are the rules and regulations of the Dragon King challenge.
Pingu. Nawawala rin bite pag lumalayo.
First bait ha? Uy,
Pingu.
Bladers ready. 3, 2, 1, go! Go!
Ayun. Teka, go.
1, go!
Ayun. Teka, good. Good, sabi ni Reverse. Grabe naman mo. Oo, wagit din.
Kailangan ko makita yung ano eh.
Yan. Kailangan i-focus yung mga parts ng Beyblade yung sa for the content.
3, 2, 1, go! Go!
Ang lalabanan namin si Dragon King habang nagre-register sa ating second pad. Guys, second pad ha, register doon. Lapit kayo, walang automatic registration. Adultic registration. Andun si Corinne kung makakaway-kaway. Si Boss DK, nasali daw. Boss DK. Palo? Papalo ba? Papalo? Ayun! Tumitik na bangga. Magandang chance rin. Uy! Ayaw mo naman ba?
Stop 3-0.
3-0. Mukhang malalabset si DK sa set 1. Papayag mga Dragon King. Malabset. Shark Edge.
3,
May
2, 1, go!
Ay! Ay! Ingat, Boss Jello. Next week ulit. Salamat. Ay, wala ka next week. Ay, wala ka. One Piece naman. Ay, wala ka next week. Ay, wala ka next week. Ay, wala ka. One Piece naman. Ayos, ayos. Ingat, Boss Jello from Project Overhaul, ang ating judge kanina. Tapusin mo na yung One Piece, Boss Jello. Focus ka na dito. Sige, sige. Bungkek, ingat. Salamat. Ingat, salamat. Binondo Bladers.
3, 2, 1, go!
Pacho. Pacho. Uy! First one. Uy! Pacho. Uy! First one.
First.
First. Maniwala ba? Mahirap pa nga. First set winner, Boss DK. Nakambak pa ni Boss DK. Dragon King won the set 1 for this challenge. DK versus Pengu.
Raiders ready. 3, 2, 1, go! Go!
Ayun lang.
Go!
Ayun lang.
1, go!
Ayun lang. Si Boss DK. Sadya, kailangan ng mga twist sa content. Hindi matatanggal ang yabang.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Go!
Uy! 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 Whale yun ha? Whale yung bumangga. Siya pa yung nag-first. Dragon eh. Dragon. Tumalon ka sa air eh. Wala ka sa tubig. Yan, El Drago. Nakakita ko na to.
Raiders ready. 3, 2, 1, go! Go!
Winner set 2, Pengu!
First base.
Set 1, set 1. Winner, DK. Set 2, Pengu.
Raiders ready. 3, 2, 1, go! Go!
Baliena versus El Drago. Grabe naman. Titan Gel Fights! Panalo po si Boss DK. Grabe, 100%.
3, 2, 1, go! Go!
Uy! Tilted launch at air spin kontra Wizard Rod. Effective nga ba? Tilted launch ni Boss DK sa Wizard Rod. Hot meta build 960 ball. Tignan natin, spin steal ba ito, Boss DK? Mag-equalize ba? Hindi! Medyo bumililit-gilit kasi ito eh. Ayan.
2-0.
Ayan na.
Kayo nga pala. 2-0 ba? 1? Let's go!
Spin finish. Wizard 1. Score na rin, Boss DK.
3-0.
3-0. Lab set ba ito? Tuluyan bang makakuha ni Pengu? Ang kampyonado. Iaabot ba ang DK's bet?
Raiders ready. 3, 2, 1, go! Go!
Ganda ng lasa. Shark Edge. Ganda ng lasa. Shark Edge. Nakalas! Biglang nakalas. Naburuhan pala nun. Nice G. Pengu wins. Wala.
And that's game. We goofed up the scores a bit, but since the match was stopped there, the final score for the third set stands as 3-1 in favor of Pengu. That makes the final standings Dragon King 1, Pengu 2. The Dragon King thought he had it, but he lost it. Pengu pulls off the upset, and he is your new Dragon King Challenge Champion. Congrats! So, you want to challenge me for an exhibition match? Do you want to win the championship belt? Just comment down below so we can set something up. That's it for today's challenge. Thanks again to Pengu, and I'll see you guys on the next video.